revolutionizing local food production. Food Forest Design Solutions is leading a shift to rethink local food production and sustainability. Our mission is to convert lawns, city parks, unused land, and farmlands into diverse, easy-to-maintain food forests, which are scalable to any size and adaptable to any climate. Advantages of food forests. Food forests leverage natural biological and botanical systems, eliminating the need for pesticides and poisons. They are permanent fixtures that yield plentiful annual harvests. By providing fully designed blueprints, Food Forest Design Solutions empowers individuals, families, and communities to establish their own food forests, enhancing local resources and promoting healthier living outside the industrialized food complex. Addressing key problems. Centralized food system. The current food supply chain is fragile and susceptible to disruptions. Food forests offer a decentralized solution, increasing local food security. Chemical usage. Conventional food production relies heavily on toxic chemicals and pesticides, posing health risks. Food forests eliminate them. Environmental impact. Transporting food over long distances consumes significant energy. Local food forests reduce this environmental footprint. Top 10 reasons to grow food and medicine. Convenience. Perennials like fruit trees and berry bushes require less maintenance than lawns, providing abundant harvests with minimal effort. Return on investment. Food forests offer a high ROI. For example, a mature peach tree can yield $450 worth of peaches annually. Food security. With supply chains failing, local food forests ensure reliable access to fresh produce. Taste and nutrition. Homegrown, ripe fruits are tastier and more nutritious. Reducing anxiety and stress. Gardening is therapeutic, comparable to meditation. Reversing deforestation. Transforming lawns into food forests can counteract deforestation. Halting mass extinction. Transitioning from monocrop farms to foodscapes supports biodiversity. Soil preservation. Food forests help restore topsoil, crucial for sustainable agriculture. Health benefits. Eliminating poisons from our diet reduces disease. Freedom. A decentralized, regenerative food supply contributes to overall freedom. What is a food forest? A food forest is a meticulously designed, diverse, perennial food-producing space that mimics natural forest ecosystems. It includes 7 layers of plants: overstory, understory, shrubs, herbs, vines, rhizomes, mushrooms, and perennial vegetables, organized to maximize yield while minimizing maintenance. These forests improve soil health, water retention, and biodiversity, making them suitable for urban and suburban areas. Benefits and applications. Food forests draw on permaculture, regenerative agriculture, ecology, and nature to create sustainable food production systems. They support diverse plant and animal life, promoting food security, community resilience, and environmental health. Food Forest Design Solutions collaborates with various clients, including educational institutions, community centers, and real estate developers, to implement eco-smart designs. Getting started with Food Forest Design Solutions. To begin your food forest journey, purchase a Food Forest Design blueprint. Share your ideas and space details. Receive a customized design blueprint. Prepare and plant. Install the design yourself or hire Food Forest Design Solutions for installation. Enjoy abundant harvests for years to come. Fill out the Food Forest Design Questionnaire to start your collaboration with one of our designers. The link is in the description below. As Bill Mollison said, though the problems of the world are increasingly complex, the solutions remain embarrassingly simple. Join the movement. Grow food, not lawns.